The Creality Raptor Pro is a versatile handheld 3D scanner designed for professionals requiring high accuracy and speed across diverse applications. Equipped with a hybrid scanning system that combines 22 cross-blue laser lines, 7 parallel blue laser lines, and near-infrared (NIR) structured light, it offers exceptional flexibility for capturing objects ranging from tiny parts to large-scale models. The scanner achieves an impressive accuracy of up to 0.02 millimeters in laser mode, making it ideal for detailed industrial design, reverse engineering, and quality control. Its NIR mode enables markerless scanning, perfect for full-body and facial scans, completing a full-body scan in as little as 2 minutes. With a scanning speed of up to 660,000 points per second and 60 frames per second in laser mode, the Raptor Pro significantly reduces scanning time without compromising detail. The device supports a wide range of object sizes, from as small as 5 mm cubed to massive 4,000 mm cubed, and can scan challenging materials like black and metallic surfaces without the need for sprays. Its compact, lightweight design and USB-C connectivity make it easy to use and integrate into various workflows. Compatible with Windows and macOS, it outputs common 3D file formats such as OBJ, STL, and PLY. The Creality Raptor Pro is an excellent tool for professionals in automotive, healthcare, manufacturing, and creative industries seeking precise, efficient, and reliable 3D scanning solutions.